Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make popcorn without corn in Heartopia game Dreamlight Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Dreamlight cinematic event has been released in Heartopia and there are some Dreamlight cinematics foods that we can create. And to create the Dreamlight cinematic food, we need to have this popcorn surfing cart. And you can craft this item using your workbench. If you don't know how to craft this item, you can watch my previous video. Okay, and I'm going to use this popcorn surfing cart to make popcorn. And of course, you need to have the ingredients to make the popcorn. And don't forget to buy the popcorn recipe from Massimo. Okay, there are two types of popcorn that we can make. The first one is the savory popcorn bucket, and the second one is the caramel popcorn. And I'm going to show you how we can make the popcorn without corn, because as you can see guys that we need corn as the ingredient to make popcorn. But don't worry, if you haven't unlocked the corn seed yet, you can use the universal ingredient. You can buy this universal ingredient from Massimo, and you can get this universal ingredient after you reach level 4 in your cooking hobby, if I'm not mistaken. And for the corn, if you want to have the corn seed, you need to unlock level 6 in your cooking hobby. Okay, and I'm going to make the caramel one. I'm going to start cooking. Okay, and hold on, it's still loading. Okay, don't forget to adjust the heat level. Almost done. Oh, one more time. Okay, and I've just made the popcorn, caramel popcorn. Okay guys, and that's how you can make popcorn without corn in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.